you fed up with being in debt and living paycheck to paycheck? Find out why budgeting is so essential and how it may help you better your finances and your life. Hello, my name is Melissa, and welcome back to my channel, where I give you practical advice on how to make more money, save more money, and take charge of your personal finances. Dave Ramsey once said, "A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went." This is why setting a budget is crucial. It's an excellent financial tool for keeping your finances in order and enables you to spend without feeling guilty. Here are 6 reasons why you should budget. Number 1. A budget helps you gain control of your finances. Have you ever viewed your bank account at the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? This is a question that a budget can answer. Consider a budget to be a financial roadmap. It gives you more control over your money by allowing you to learn about your spending habits. It makes you a more responsible spender, preventing you from running out of money at the end of the month. When you make a budget, you can see how much money comes in, how quickly it leaves your account, and where it goes. This assists you in effectively prioritizing and allocating finances. Number 2. Budgeting helps you achieve goals. Most of us have financial objectives, such as paying off debt, saving for retirement, buying a car, or putting down a down payment on a home. The budgeting process can assist you in identifying and prioritizing these goals. It's a good idea to have a few short-term, easy-to-achieve goals in addition to the more expensive medium and long-term ones to keep you motivated. Long-term goals are perhaps the most important for your future well-being, but they're also the most difficult to achieve. Your budget will assist you with staying on track with all your goals and help you achieve them more quickly. Number 3. Reduce unnecessary expenses. You might be astonished at how much money you waste each month if you've never budgeted or tracked your expenses before. For example, suppose you stop for coffee on your way to work every morning without knowing that this habit might easily add $100 to your monthly expenses. This adds up to $1,200 over the course of a year. What would you do with $1,200 extra every year? It would be $6,000 in 5 years. That's enough for a down payment on a house. You'll be able to spot spending that isn't in line with your financial goals and redirect that spending to help you reach goals that are important to you and your family once you've kept track of where your money goes. Number 4. Budgeting helps maximize your savings. Saving money helps you build wealth and protects you when you're short on cash. This is why setting a budget is crucial. Budgets are excellent money-saving instruments. You can start saving more money after your expenses are reduced. It's a good idea to set aside at least 20% of your salary for savings and use the rest to cover your monthly expenses. If you have extra room in your budget, consider increasing your savings to secure your future. Number 5. Budgeting helps you avoid debt and improve credit. We sometimes accumulate debt as a result of a lack of planning. You can make modifications to stop living paycheck to paycheck if you genuinely grasp how much it costs to be you. A budget will help you figure out how to get and remain out of debt. By paying your payments on time and avoiding excessive debt, you will take the most critical step toward establishing good credit. Number 6. Budgeting helps provide peace of mind. A budget provides you with peace of mind by allowing you to know how much money you have at any one time. It takes the guesswork out of spending by letting you know whether or not you can afford something and, if not, when you will be able to. It alleviates the stress of annual expenses such as school supplies, insurance, gifts, and so on because you will have money set up for them. These 6 reasons should be enough to persuade you to start budgeting and take charge of your financial future. Clear goals and a strategy for achieving them are the foundation of financial health. Your budget is the tool that will enable you to do so. If you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe below, hit the like button, and come back next week because I'll be bringing you more personal finance advice.